Mackenzie here from the Jackson County Library System, and today I'm going to show you how to put together our December craft kit for the kindergarten through 4th grade. These are available completely free at all of the Jackson County libraries. All you have to do is call and reserve one and schedule a time to pick it up. So this month, we were able to put together kits with Jackson County 4-H to make 2 different snowflake ornaments. So you get all the supplies you need in the kits. And those are available all month long to pick up. So what you'll see in your kit are a couple of ornament hooks, white pipe cleaners, and then 2 little containers full of beads. And each container has the beads for 1 snowflake. So you're going to want to keep them in their container until you're making that snowflake, okay? And as you can see here, I actually organized my beads, and you're going to want to do this too because it'll help you do your snowflake even faster. So you could do this like on a paper plate to keep them all organized and safe. So we're going to start with building the base of our snowflake. So you're going to have 1 pipe cleaner laid out straight, and you're going to take another one and put it over it so it looks like a plus sign, okay? Then pick them both up, and this top one that you put on second, you're going to take one side and bring it around behind so it goes over to the other side. And then you're going to do that with the same on the other side. So you bring it around behind. You want to make sure that's kind of in the middle there. Oops, mine got a little behind. There we go. So behind, behind. There we go. So now we've got our plus sign. And we're going to change it so it looks like an X. And lay this one on top. And we'll pick those up and do the same thing. So this top one we'll bring around behind, and then we'll do that with the same one over here, behind. You can kind of pull them tight so they're all connected now. You can kind of spread these out so it's more even. Okay, and we'll be able to spread these even after we add the beads. So now the beads, I wanted you to organize them because we're going to put them on in a specific order so they look like this. So we're going to start with our small clear beads, and we're going to move to our big colorful beads, and you'll also have medium white or clear beads and some medium colorful beads. And we've got lots of different color combinations in the kit, so you just never know what you're going to get in there. So we're going to start with these tiny clear beads, and you're just going to put them right on the end of the pipe cleaner and push it all the way down to the middle. And you're going to do that for all 6 sides, okay? Then you're going to move on to a big colorful bead. You're going to put that right there. Then you're going to move to a medium white or clear bead. So let's put that one on there. Then medium colorful. And another medium white or clear, whichever you have in your kit. As you can see in this one that I made the example, we've got those clear beads. So you could get either one. Then you're going to end with another big colorful. And again, you're going to do this on all 6 arms of your snowflake. And I'm going to pause there and speed it up so you don't have to watch me put all these beads on. All right, now we'll go back to regular speed, and I'll show you how to finish off your snowflake. So we need to make sure these beads stay on there, so you can kind of see how this looks different on the end. So we're going to take this final little piece that's sticking out, and we're going to fold it over and push it into the hole of the bead there. So if you fold it over and just tuck it in to that big bead on the end. You're going to do that for all 6 sides, and it just makes a little loop there that helps keep the beads in place. And we're also going to use those loops when we add our ornament hook here in a second to finish off our snowflake. So get these. Final one here. So you just take that, see that little loop, and they got the end, sticking it back right in there. So now we've got all these little loops. We're going to take our ornament hook, and we are going to stick it through one of those loops. So here I can see this one's the biggest, so I'm just going to use that one. and you can just stick it right through the middle and it hooks in there. Now we need to make sure that stays, so we're going to pinch the ornament hook. And if you can get it to go all the way around, there, now it is secure. And you can kind of move these pipe cleaners around and make it all pretty and perfect. And now you could hang it up on a tree or maybe on a little window thing to have it hang in the window. All sorts of fun stuff with these pretty little ornaments. You could keep them for yourself, give them as gifts. Just have fun with these. They're a good afternoon craft when it's snowing outside. So give us a call at any of the 3 libraries and we can get a kit ready for you to pick up all month long in December. Have fun!